Can you transfer a property deed with an existing lien? Imagine you're buying or transferring a property and wonder what happens if there's a lien on it. Well, let's explore what that really means and how it impacts the deed transfer process. When you transfer a property deed, you're officially changing ownership on the title. But if there's an existing lien, it stays attached to the property, not the owner. This means the new owner will usually take the property subject to the lien. They might be responsible for paying it off later unless it is settled before or during the transfer. Liens can be for unpaid taxes, mortgages, or judgments from court cases. Before transferring the deed, a thorough title search is essential. This search uncovers any liens or claims against the property. Sellers are generally required to disclose known liens to avoid legal issues later. Most sellers prefer to pay off liens before closing to ensure a clear title. This makes the transaction smoother and protects the buyer from future surprises. If the seller cannot pay off the lien, they can negotiate with the buyer. The buyer might agree to take the property with the lien attached, but this requires full transparency and a clear plan for handling the debt. During the legal and closing process, the deed is recorded with the county recorder's office. This recording makes the transfer official. However, the lien remains a separate matter and continues to encumber the property until it is paid or legally removed. Some liens, like tax liens, have priority over others, meaning they must be paid first. Legal remedies such as quiet title actions or bankruptcy proceedings can sometimes remove or challenge liens. But these options are complex and depend on the specific situation. For real estate investors, understanding the lien status before buying is key. It helps assess risks and avoid future legal complications. In summary, yes, you can transfer a deed with an existing lien, but the lien stays attached to the property and can affect ownership rights. Doing proper due diligence, full disclosure, and negotiations are vital to managing the risks involved. Always review the title carefully and consult legal professionals if needed. This way, you can ensure a smooth transfer and protect your investment.